I just got my first ThredUp Goody Box in the mail, so I figured I would use this as an opportunity to do one of my first videos. So here we go. Oh, sorry. I do not like long videos on YouTube, so I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. And I'm going to do some video editing and try to incorporate my try-on as I'm going to try to couple it with the information that I am presenting here on the video. So we'll see if I can get that done. So in the box, they give you pretty much a packing slip that includes a description, the item number, the size, estimated retail cost, and then the ThredUp price. You get a total of, I believe it's 10 items. Yep, 10 items in the box. It says if you choose to keep $75 worth of items, you will receive a $10 shopping credit for a future purchase. So that's cool. So let's dig in. So you can see here, they wrap it, it's kind of cute. They wrap it in some tissue paper and then they put little like quotes on here. Like this one says, "Ceiling deal since 2009, hashtag secondhand first." And this one says, "Gold digging since 2009. So super cute. So the first item is this. I'm not sure if you can see this. I'm not sure if this is a dress or a sweater. Let's see. This is the Fortune and Ivy casual dress in a size medium. Price for that is, original cost is $48. The ThredUp price is $14.99. So I will try that on and try to insert a video here so you can see what I look like with that on. This is a cocktail dress. This is Francesca's cocktail dress. Estimated retail value is $54. ThredUp price is $11.99. That's item number 2. Item number 3 is women's theory casual pants. Retail value $265. If you can see that. ThredUp price is $26.99. Let's see, Silver Jeans Company. $71 originally priced, and then the ThredUp price is $25.99, which is more of my outfit. And then this is the Lucky Brand jeans. Estimated retail value is $109. ThredUp price is $23.99. Has a little elasticity there, not much, but it has some, so looking forward to trying that on. And then this is a Papermoon sleeve blouse. It's really sheer. I don't know if you guys can see, like you can see my clothes behind it, so I'm not sure if I would wear this maybe underneath a blazer or something like that, but it's really sheer. You can see kind of like right through it. But that one is $14.99 ThredUp price. The original price is $54. Oh, look at this. This is a cute tank top. This is a Jolie tank top. Estimated retail value $36. ThredUp price is $9.99. So that's cute. We'll see how that looks on. Be nice for going out with the hubby. see, another Papermoon sleeve top. This one, original retail value is $36. ThredUp price is $11.99. Not sure if I'll keep that one. See, this is a Papermoon. They really trying to get rid of Papermoon. Papermoon sleeveless blouse. Original cost is $54. ThredUp is selling it for $13.99. And then last but not least, this is the Leith long sleeve blouse. Estimated retail value is $119. ThredUp is selling it for $26.99. Not quite sure how this should go yet. I guess I'll have to take a look. I'm not sure if all of this is going to be open or if there's something to tie it together here, but needless to say, if all of that is open, I will not be wearing it. All right, so that's all of my items. Let's see what we got. I did not really like the way this dress fit. I did not think it complemented my shape. Probably would look good on someone else's shape. The material was comfortable, just didn't like it. I did not particularly care for this dress either. As you can see, I could not zip it up in the back. I was kind of excited initially because it was a brand new dress, but I assume it's a dress that you need to wear without your bra. As you can see here, you can see my bra through the cutout holes, and I don't know, I just did not like the overall style of the dress. For the Theory casual pants, overall, they were slightly comfortable. Not as comfortable as I would like. You can see I have a little bit of a pocket in the rear area. I didn't think it complemented my shape, so I won't be getting these pants. For the Silver Jeans Company denim pair of jeans, I didn't realize that they were skinny jeans until I put them on. I think if they would not have been skinny jeans, I probably would have liked them. I had high hope for the Lucky brand jeans, but they just were tighter than I prefer. I didn't like the way that they fit, so I probably will not be keeping these. Here's the Papermoon short sleeve blouse. I think overall it fit okay. It was a size medium. I think it probably would have been better if it were a large and if it weren't so see-through. It was comfortable though, so I will give them that. So here's the Jolie black sequin tank top. I think it was cute overall. I think it will look good underneath a denim jacket or even a work blazer. So I think I will be keeping this one. What do you think? So here we have the Papermoon short sleeve top. It was comfortable overall. I didn't think it necessarily complimented my figure, and I did not think it was worth $11.99. So I will not be keeping this shirt. Here we have the Papermoon sleeveless blouse. I did not like this shirt at all. I wasn't impressed with the material or the make. Just boo. And last but not least, the shirt that I hated the most. I'm not sure what the designer was thinking when they made this shirt, but it's so loose. I felt like a kangaroo. Like literally I could have tucked a baby kangaroo right here in the front. Definitely not keeping this shirt. Okay guys, so that was my try on. Out of the 10 pieces that ThredUp sent me, I only saw this one piece that I like, which was the sequin top. Kind of broke even on this because it cost me $10 to get them to ship me the box of goodies, and this tank top is $9.99. So everything else I'm going to be sending back. Both pairs of jeans that they sent me were too tight. I don't like skinny jeans. I just don't like the way they feel. I don't like tight clothing. That's just not my thing. And both jeans were tight and uncomfortable. The casual pants, women's series casual pants, they fit okay, just not loose enough for my taste. I wasn't impressed with any of the shirts. Most of them seemed to be Papermoon shirts. I didn't like any of them. I didn't like the way they fit. I didn't like the way they felt. And I know that ThredUp is a secondhand, thrift store, online thrift store. And so I understand the concept that you are literally trying on something that belonged to someone else, but a couple of the pieces look worn. Inside of one of the shirts looked dirty, so it's like someone's neck had been rubbing up against the back. That's just not my thing. So I definitely won't keep any of those, but this $9.99 tank top I will be keeping. So that was my ThredUp Goody Box experience. Not sure if I have the option to pick another stylist. I don't think this stylist really got me per se, but definitely give it a chance for yourself. Maybe you'll get a stylist that maybe you'll get better picks in your box. I really wasn't impressed with what I got. Now I've ordered a separate box from ThredUp of things that I chose. And I think I could do much better just picking through their website on my own and choosing things that I would actually like and probably have a more higher satisfactory rate. So I think I may try that going forward. But I'll put the information down below in the description box. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, rate the video, let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what I can improve on. If there's pieces you thought that look decent or I look decent in, let me know. If you liked me in the black tank top, let me know that. If you thought it all was trash, you can let me know that too. I like honesty and I like honest opinions. Now, I don't like rude people, but I like honesty and honest opinions. So hope you enjoyed the video. Try to keep it short and sweet, like how I like my YouTube videos. And